I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Gordon.
This is Hoodoo Voodoo Cycle and Motorsports Inc. We have a growing line of apparel. We've got helmets, gloves, riding apparel, all sorts of little knickknacks, sunglasses, and the things that any rider would need, whether you're 2 wheels or 4.
We do full services on everything from ATVs to two-wheel motorcycles, street bikes, dirt bikes, anything that's motorsports related, we will service for you.
Our tagline is respect, integrity, and pride. Old school values that we are very proud to represent and operate with integrity. We're proud to be Drumheller's motorcycle shop. We want this to be the place that the residents of Drumheller visit for their power sports needs, and to bring their families, and for all visitors to come and be proud of the store that we are here.
Here at Hoodoo Voodoo, we're ready to cater to literally anyone, whether you ride or don't ride, whether you have a dirt bike or an ATV, or just questions. We'd love to see you, and we would help you in any way we can.